Nest heading rib cage. The ribs are thin, flat, curved bones that form a protective cage around the lungs, heart, and kidney. The ribs are in 12 pairs. Each rib is attached to the thoracic part of the backbone. The first 7 pairs of ribs are attached directly with a long bone in the center of the chest called breastbone or sternum. They are called true ribs. The next 3 pairs of ribs are attached to the ribs above them. They are called false ribs. Children, there are many ribs combined to form a cage-like structure. It's called rib cage. There are 12 pairs of ribs are present in rib cage. First of 7 pairs of ribs are directly attached to the sternum, so they are called true ribs, and next 3 pairs of ribs attached to the ribs above them, so they are called false ribs. The last 2 pairs of the ribs are attached only to the backbone. They remain free in the front of rib cage, hence they are called floating ribs. Children, last 2 pairs of ribs are not attached by the sternum and they are floating, so they are called floating ribs. Next heading, limbs. We have 2 pairs of limbs, forelimbs or arms, and hind limbs or legs. Each arms and each leg has 30 bones which comprise different kinds of bones. Humerus is the longest bone in the forelimbs. Wrist is composed of 8 small bones arranged in 2 rows. The longest, strongest, and the largest bone of the body is in the hind limb. It is the thigh bone called femur. Each foot has a number of small bones. Children, humans have 2 pairs of limb, forelimb and hind limbs. There are 30 bones present in every limbs. Humerus is the longest bone of forelimb and the femur is the longest, strongest and largest bone of the hind limb. Now next heading is girdles. We have 2 pairs of girdles, pectoral girdle or shoulder girdle and pelvic girdle or hip girdle. The pectoral girdle provides connection between forelimbs with the skeleton. It provides attachment point for many muscles which allow the movement of shoulder and elbow joint. The pelvic girdle to serve several important functions in the body. The hind limbs attached to the pelvic girdle. It supports the weight of the body. It protects the organs such as urinary bladder and reproductive organs. It protects the developing baby in a pregnant woman. Children, there are 2 pairs of girdle present in human limbs. Pectoral girdle connect forelimb to the skeleton and pelvic girdle connect hind limbs to the skeleton. Pelvic girdle protect of many organs like as urinary bladder, reproductive organs, and also protects the developing baby in pregnant women.